Are you trying to choose between MyFitnessPal and Fitia? You're not alone. Many people want to know which app is better for tracking their health and fitness. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools. Both apps help you monitor your diet and exercise, but they have different features and benefits. MyFitnessPal is a well-known app for tracking calories and food intake. It has a huge database of foods. You can easily log meals and see your daily nutrition. Plus, it connects with many fitness devices. This makes it easy to keep everything in one place. On the other hand, Fitia focuses more on personalized meal plans and workouts. It offers tailored suggestions based on your goals. If you want a more guided approach to fitness, Fitia might be the way to go. It also has a community feature for support and motivation. Now, let's look at the key differences. MyFitnessPal is great for tracking food and calories, while Fitia emphasizes personalized plans. If you want a straightforward calorie counter, MyFitnessPal is solid. But if you prefer a customized experience, Fitia stands out. When it comes to features, MyFitnessPal has an extensive food database and a user-friendly interface. Fitia, however, offers meal planning and workout suggestions tailored to you. Both have mobile apps, but the experience varies. In terms of pricing, MyFitnessPal has a free version with optional premium features. Fitia also offers a free version, but its premium version unlocks more personalized options. So, which one should you choose? If you want to track calories easily, MyFitnessPal is a good fit. If you need personalized guidance, give Fitia a try. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.